Assetec Realty Private Limited has been building prestigious and acclaimed real estate projects since 2002. 3 million square feet of constructed projects worth $300 million is a testament to Assetec's rock-solid foundation. These include apartment complexes, Grade A commercial spaces and luxury serviced apartments. We are proud to unveil our new corporate identity, which reflects our deepest corporate values: creativity, efficiency, sustainability, aesthetics. Our vision is to be known as an environment-conscious real estate development company, creating best value for all its stakeholders. And now we have come up with an integrated IT-based business park in the IT hub of Northern India, Noida Expressway. Assetec Business Cristera is the finest amalgamation of office and retail spaces, along with premium serviced apartments, which will be operated by Lemon Tree Hotels. We are proud to announce that Phase 1 of our prestigious project is already operational. Our ambitions go beyond the borders of India. Our premium apartments, with panoramic views of the Indian Ocean, will be built in the heart of Colombo, Sri Lanka. Going even further, we are building premium apartments in Hulumale, Maldives, with an ambition to redefine luxury. Our spaces are defined by our core values, and hence we partner with the best names in the industry from various fields of architecture, design, engineering, hospitality, and finance. We at Assetec combine our expertise and awareness to serve the society around us. In 2003, the promoters of Assetec co-founded University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, which was the first of its kind in Asia dedicated to oil, gas and energy sciences. Located in Dehradun, the university boasts of more than 6,000 students and is rated as one of the best universities in India. Continuing our passion to impart education, along with the vision of corporate social responsibility, Assetec Realty established Lok Bharti with a purpose to provide skill development and vocational training for the youth of rural India. Lok Bharti operates at more than 20 locations in India and has trained more than 25,000 rural youth in various skills. A partner of National Skill Development Corporation, Lok Bharti's vision is also in sync with Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. Assetec Realty commands huge respect for continuously raising the bar and has been regularly recognized and rewarded in various forums for its impeccable work in real estate sector and contribution towards social causes. Assetec spaces are defined by groundbreaking concepts, latest technology, and unsurpassed human skills. Come, join us in our endeavor to a better, greener, and smarter world.